Hey, hello. So today it's December 2nd, the National Day of UAE, and I'm going to Expo 2020 to witness the celebration of National Day. And initially I thought I'll be taking a free bus, Expo 2020 bus, but unfortunately I missed it. I reached late for 4 minutes and now I'm waiting for the metro. So yeah, let's go. So the metro has arrived and I'm getting into the metro. Let's go.
الأبواب تغلق. Doors closing.
So the duration of this journey will be like around 1 hour or something, or more than that. So yeah, let's enjoy.
Doors will open on the right-hand side.
So after a long 45 minutes to 1 hour journey, finally arrived at Expo 2020 metro station, and now walking towards the expo. So yeah, let's go. There's a huge crowd over here. Huge, in the sense, very huge. Let me show you guys. See. So as it's National Day, UAE National Day, they are providing free entry, and here it is. I got the free ticket. So let's see what's inside. So yeah, let's go. So to enter the expo, you need either vaccination proof or PCR negative result, which is not older than 72 hours. So I don't have PCR test result, but I have got 2 doses of vaccination. So I'm gonna produce that. So I had to go through a couple of security checkpoints and clean and clear. I think it's just for a namesake, just a formal checkup. And now walking towards the entrance of Expo. Let's go. So now I'm going towards office to get my new passport. Yeah, let's see. Hey, can I get a passport?
Yeah, how many do you need?
One, just one.
Here. Do you want to go older linear?
No, that's fine.
20 dirham?
20 dirhams?
Here's 80.
Thank you.
Thank you. Do you need a receipt?
No, that's fine.
Thank you.
Thank you. So finally the day has come. I got a new passport. Yay! New passport. And yeah, here it is. My new passport. So I'm gonna enjoy. I'm gonna travel 192 countries in few days or in a month or something. I don't know. Maybe. So yeah, let me make use of my new passport. Here we go.
Later that same evening.
So what I'm going to show you guys right now probably or might really blow your mind. So here it goes. Enjoy. I hope that did really blow your mind, and I hope you all enjoyed it. So thank you for watching. Peace.